DoSuggest.
If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, please do not forget to leave a comment, share this video, and watch to the end for the giveaway.
We are going to talk about Newcredit loan app. Newcredit loan app is a digital finance loan app that offers loan services to their customer. By using your phone, you can obtain loan that is less than 5 million to access their offer without any collateral. You can download the app from your Google Play Store, register, and also apply for Newcredit loan. Most people also ask, is Newcredit loan approved by CBN? Is Newcredit loan registered company in Nigeria? Yes, Newcredit loan is approved by CBN and also a registered company in Nigeria. Now we are going to talk about how to register and apply for Newcredit loan. First, download the app and quickly install it in your phone. Open a personal account and other basic information including your home address, employment details, and next of kins. You will be asked to enter your BVN and link your ATM card to your Newcredit account. Submit your loan application by clicking withdraw button. After you have followed this procedure, Newcredit loan will assess your credit to show your final results to determine the amount of loan you can borrow. Note that you can also use a MasterCard or Visa ATM if you experience any difficulty when linking your ATM card to your account. How to get a loan up to 100,000 at affordable rate in Nigeria. You can get an interest rate from different lenders through your phone, and it can also give you access to different lenders in less than 5 million. Requirement to borrow a loan. You must be a citizen of that country. You must be between the range of 18 to 55 years and have a standard monthly income. You must be willing to link your ATM card to your Newcredit loan account and also give a correct detail of yourself. You must not have an outstanding loan from other lenders. What is the Newcredit loan interest rate? Newcredit loan interest rate charges you a monthly interest rate of 4% to 24%, annual interest rate of 24% to 56%. The interest rate on your loan increases every day, and the interest rate is always very high.
If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, please do not forget to leave a comment, share this video, and watch to the end for a giveaway.
DoSuggest.